Assalam, Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood. Today we will learn more idioms so that we will be able to understand the native language as a native English speaker use in their uses in their writing and expression. So there are other idioms. Sit tight. As you people are seeing a picture on your screens, sit tight doesn't mean that sitting on something like that there you will not show any motion. Sit tight doesn't mean not showing of motion and sitting on some chair or some desk or anything else and doing nothing as a punishment. It is not a punishment as it seems from this word sit tight and don't move. It means waiting patiently. Sit tight and wait for me until I come back and ask you and tell you the result. Please sit tight and wait. Your result will be handed over to you soon. Means read the context. Result will be handed over to you. You have to sit tight. So in this context, the meaning of this idiom would be clear to you that sit tight mean waiting patiently without clamoring or without saying anything or demanding anything. If someone says sit tight means wait patiently until he or she does something necessary to you or something you need. Similarly, pitch in. Now see the word pitch in. If you try to drive some meanings from it, from the words which are there on your screen, pitch in, pitching in, it means you cannot make a sense from these two words, pitch and in. A cricket pitch comes to your mind, pitch in, you will be in the pitch. If you pitch on something, pitch in on something, it means you are helping out. It means to contribute, to give to someone or something, or to join in the efforts with the people. You are pitching in with the NGO to clean the area or clean the area of the mess which people have made there. We can all pitch in to buy a gift for his birthday, that we can all contribute for buying a gift for him to be presented to him on his birthday. Pitch in something for the newspaper, that you are going to write something for the newspaper as a contributor, as a writer. So pitch in mean to contribute, to give someone to something, pitching in the effort. All the family should pitch in their efforts to clean the backyard of the house. Clean the backyard of the house. Go cold turkey. Now, if you like to drive the meaning, the contextual, from the words which are before your screen, if you try to understand the literal meaning of the words, it would be impossible to drive the meaning what they actually are explaining. Go cold turkey mean dead. To go dead, turkey is dead, a dead turkey. But it means I quit, to quit smoking, to quit dangerous habits, to quit alcohol, to stop being addictive, to stop being dangerous or showing dangerous behavior, to quit some bad habit. So he suddenly quit alcohol as people were thinking he will go cold turkey, but he isn't and looking for. People are of the opinion that he will show some dangerous behavior. People believe that he will show some dangerous behavior. He will not be able to control his behavior after stopping, after quitting the addiction of alcohol or smoking, but he doesn't show such signs. He is normal, he is behaving normal. So from the context, we will be able to learn what the actual meanings of go cold turkey means to quit addictive behavior or habit. So our next idiom is face the music. Face the music means like you are saying, if we drive its meaning from the words which are on our screen, means I am enjoying some concert, some musical concert. I'm facing the music. Someone is playing the music, and I'm sitting or standing before him, enjoying. But it means you have to face the music. Mean to accept punishment for something you have done. You have done something wrong. Now you should be ready to face the consequences of your act, or to face the punishment, or to face the reality. He did not study hard and lied to his father. Now, as a result has been announced, he has to face the music. He has to face the consequences. He has to face the reality. He has to face the punishment of the act which he has done in the past, and supposedly he didn't tell anyone or lied to anyone. Now that when the reality has dawned on each and everyone, he should be ready to face what the consequences are, or what the result is. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here with other exciting lectures, with other exciting idioms, so that we may learn how the native speak